Good fortune doesn't come out of nowhere. It is often preceded by subtle signs and energy shifts that indicate positive changes are on their way. These indicators can appear in various aspects of your life, and recognizing them can help you align your mindset and actions to accept the opportunities heading your way. In this video, we'll explore 7 key signs that indicate good things are about to unfold in your life. When good fortune is approaching, you may first notice a subtle shift in your energy. If you've been doing the work to grow and align with your desires, you'll start feeling more optimistic, at ease, and peaceful in your daily life. These shifts are not always immediately dramatic, but rather they accumulate over time. You might wake up feeling lighter or suddenly find it easier to let go of stress and negative emotions that once weighed you down. This positive change in your energy indicates that you are aligning yourself with your highest potential and opening the doors to abundance. As your internal state transforms, the world around you begins to mirror that positivity, bringing new experiences and people into your life that resonate with your newfound energy. You may also notice that obstacles seem to clear away with less effort, as if the universe is making way for your desires to manifest. The key to maintaining this shift in energy is mindfulness. Regularly check in with your thoughts and emotions. When you begin to notice a pattern of negative thinking or anxiety creeping back in, counter it with positive affirmations or gratitude. As you cultivate a sense of inner peace, you'll continue to attract the good fortune that reflects that mindset. Your energy directly influences the experiences you attract. The more positive and open you are, the more you'll find that opportunities, people, and experiences align to support your journey. Recognizing the energetic shift within yourself is a crucial step in welcoming new blessings into your life. As good fortune approaches, you might start noticing unexpected opportunities that seem to come out of nowhere. These opportunities could take many forms: a job offer from an unexpected source, a chance meeting with someone who can help you achieve your goals, or an invitation to an event that opens new doors. These may initially seem like small, unrelated events, but each of them holds the potential for a significant shift in your life. Often we find ourselves focusing on our current circumstances or desires, making it difficult to see opportunities that might not fit into the mold of what we expected. These unexpected opportunities are often the universe's way of offering solutions or pathways that you might not have considered. When you feel an intuitive pull towards an opportunity, trust it, even if it doesn't seem to align perfectly with your current plans. What's important is that you remain open to these unexpected doors. Sometimes we are so focused on our goals that we miss the signals the universe sends us. When these opportunities appear, take a moment to evaluate them. Ask yourself if they align with your values and if they present a possibility for growth or success in a new direction. Taking action on these unexpected opportunities is essential. The universe often provides us with small clues to help us move forward. If you feel inspired to act, don't hesitate. Taking that first step may lead you to even greater opportunities that open up more avenues for success and prosperity. As your life begins to align with the flow of good fortune, you'll notice an increase in synchronicity. You might find that events, people, and situations begin to align in ways that feel almost too perfect to be coincidental. These synchronistic moments may come in the form of meaningful conversations with strangers, encountering solutions to problems you've been pondering for days, or simply stumbling upon something that immediately advances your goals. This flow of events is an indication that you are in harmony with the universe. Things seem to fall into place effortlessly, and life feels more like an enjoyable journey rather than a struggle. It's as though the universe is helping you navigate through life, presenting opportunities, resources, and insights just when you need them. To fully tap into this flow, it's important to trust that these synchronistic moments are not random. Accept them with gratitude and curiosity, knowing that the universe is providing exactly what you need at the right time. By staying open and present, you allow the synchronicity to continue unfolding, bringing even more positive experiences into your life. The more you acknowledge and appreciate these signs of synchronicity, the more they will appear. It's as though the universe is sending you a message that you're on the right path. Allowing yourself to go with the flow rather than resisting will help you continue attracting good fortune into your life. Another sign that good fortune is headed your way is the improvement of relationships in your life. As your energy shifts and your mindset evolves, you may find that your connections with others become deeper, more meaningful, and more supportive. You might reconnect with old friends who bring positive energy into your life, form new bonds with like-minded individuals, or find that your existing relationships become more harmonious and fulfilling. This increase in positive relationships is a reflection of the energy you are putting out into the world. As you work on yourself, grow emotionally, and cultivate self-love, the people around you respond in kind. These supportive relationships are important because they help you stay grounded and motivated as you move forward toward your goals. Additionally, as good fortune begins to manifest, you'll notice that new people may come into your life who play a key role in your success. These relationships may open up new business opportunities, creative collaborations, or even friendships that support your growth. Recognizing the value in these relationships and nurturing them will create an even stronger foundation for your continued success. Keep in mind that every positive relationship in your life has a purpose. These connections often hold the key to unlocking new opportunities or offering you insights that will help you navigate your path. As you continue to surround yourself with supportive and positive people, you are aligning with the good fortune that is coming your way. As you move closer to receiving good fortune, your intuition becomes sharper and your clarity increases. You might find that you're able to make decisions more easily, trusting your gut instincts rather than overthinking every choice. This newfound clarity can come after a period of personal growth or self-reflection, where you've learned to quiet the noise and listen to your inner voice. With this heightened sense of clarity, you're able to move forward with more confidence and ease. Whether it's in your personal life, career, or relationships, your intuition will guide you toward the best possible outcomes. You'll feel more attuned to the opportunities around you and better equipped to recognize what will serve you in the long run. This clarity also brings a sense of alignment. You may feel that everything you've been working on is now starting to make sense, and your path forward is clear. This newfound sense of direction will help you take decisive action and move closer to your goals, knowing that you're on the right track. Trust your inner wisdom. As you allow yourself to become more attuned to your intuition, you'll find that you are no longer doubting your choices or second-guessing yourself. Your confidence in your decisions will only increase, attracting even more abundance into your life. Abundance, in all forms, is a clear sign that good fortune is on its way. It's not just about material wealth. Abundance encompasses love, health, personal growth, and opportunities. When you start noticing signs of abundance, such as receiving unexpected gifts, enjoying improved health, or attracting new possibilities, it's a signal that the universe is preparing you for even more. You might notice that your daily life feels richer in small, meaningful ways. The joy you feel when spending time with loved ones, the satisfaction in your work, or the peace you experience when taking care of yourself are all signs of abundance. These moments are not just random, but a reflection of the abundant energy flowing through your life. Gratitude is key to amplifying abundance. When you acknowledge and appreciate the abundance you already have, you send a message to the universe that you are open and ready for more. Gratitude helps you stay in alignment with the flow of good fortune, inviting more opportunities and blessings into your life. As you continue to focus on what is abundant in your life, you will naturally attract more of it. The more you recognize and appreciate the abundance you already have, the more the universe will bring to you. It's a powerful cycle that fuels your growth, success, and overall well-being. Finally, one of the clearest signs that good fortune is coming your way is the overwhelming sense of lightness and joy that seems to follow you throughout the day. This feeling may arise without any clear cause, or it might be the result of the positive energy you've been cultivating. Either way, it signifies that you're in alignment with the flow of life and that abundance and success are on their way. This lightness is often accompanied by a deep sense of peace and fulfillment. You feel content with where you are and trust that the universe is guiding you toward your highest good. You may notice that even challenges feel more manageable and that you're able to handle life's ups and downs with grace and resilience. This joyful state of being is magnetic. As you carry this lightness with you, you'll find that people and opportunities are naturally drawn to you. Your energy becomes a beacon that attracts all the good things you've been working toward. By accepting this sense of joy and peace, you signal to the universe that you are ready for all the blessings coming your way. This positive energy not only attracts good fortune, but also ensures that it stays with you for the long haul. Good fortune doesn't always arrive in grand, dramatic ways. Often, it's the subtle signs, the shifts in energy, the unexpected opportunities, the flow of synchronicity that let you know something big is on the horizon. By remaining open to these signs and accepting the positive changes, you're positioning yourself to receive the abundance the universe has in store for you. So, if you notice any of these signs in your life, don't ignore them. Take a moment to appreciate the changes and trust that the universe is aligning to bring you exactly what you need. Keep nurturing your energy, stay open to new opportunities, and watch as your good fortune unfolds. If this video resonated with you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more insightful content. Stay tuned for more ways to manifest the life you truly desire.